Welcome back to another episode, all my lovely passengers. Yes, you've seen the thumbnail. Yes, you've seen the title. It's time. If you're new around here, my name is Matthias, and as usual, I'll be your bus driver for today. So, less of me and more of this beautiful bus. Stay tuned. Okay, lovely passengers. So that was the mini tour of the S531 DT double-decker from Setra. I truly hope that you liked this video. And if you're still watching and haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you always get notified when I upload new daily videos. And I also want to say thank you so much to everybody who's showing support, commenting, liking, and all that good stuff. It truly means the world to me, and it helps to push out the content to more bus lovers around the world. So thank you so much for watching and showing your support. And if you feel like I've missed something in this video, or if you want to have a better explanation of something, please don't hesitate. Comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much.